only charger, the only vehicle I fucking could drive. Well, there's two vehicles. Only two vehicles I could. Brandon, is there another canine vehicle in server or no?
No, just the one K9 1, 2, and 3.
Wait, is K9 1 fixed or no? Nate, I thought Nate could fix it. You said. I thought he said last night he'll fix it, or somehow. This is before you left and your internet went out, asshole. One of these days I want to cut in front of DPS fucking say, go by and say fuck you. I see you, assassin. You're an Impala. You're an Impala. I see your ass. Yeah, you are. Where are you? Then who the fuck is in an Impala? It's Alpha Ida. Come scoop me up and don't use the Los Santos freeway? What the fuck? No, that's what one of the AI say. I'm Gucci. I'm gonna go hang out at the strip club and do radar over there. Alright. You gonna come join me, assassin? Get at a gas station near the strip club right there. Shit, I'm lagging really bad. For some reason I'm lagging. Oh shit, assassin streaming, everyone run on stream. No, Brendan's doing something. Nate's muted. Hey, I want you to talk in game, because if it's skippy for me, I'm gonna relog, because it likes to be. Last time I was here, it was really skippy for me. I couldn't hear no one. Come to my location. I see you. Turn your lights on and get over. I said turn your lights on. Talking game. Oh my god, hit my car. Okay, you're clear. Turn your lights on too. You don't have your headlights on my side. What? I'm gonna go sit down on Grove Street.
Alright. Is Nate Boyle back?
I don't know. I don't know if Nate Boyle back.
I wanna go see if there's anyone on like. Oh, someone just got pulled up.
What? What sounds like CHP? What is that siren? I know, right? It does. That's the CHP siren. Well,
You got pulled over.
I don't know.
He's in the alleyway behind my house.
I don't. Where? Is it a corrupt cop?
Nah,